I'm sure you've seen the chopped sandwich trend by now, and it just got a salmon salad upgrade. Trust me, this is like a tuna sandwich meeting an Italian grinder. And the best part is that it all comes together on one cutting board. I'm using MOWI Atlantic salmon from their 2-portion pack, which will make 2 large sandwiches. I love MOWI salmon because it's fresh, never frozen, and the quality is so consistent. It cooks perfectly every time. You'll start by prepping your salmon, place a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet, lay the salmon portions on the sheet, then drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Brush it over the salmon, then season with sea salt and pepper. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until it's cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Grab a big cutting board and toss on the lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, pepperoncini, and red onion. Top with that flaky baked salmon and chop everything up. Keep going until everything is small and bite-sized. Add the mayo, red wine vinegar, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Fold everything together until it's completely coated. It should be a similar texture to a chicken salad or tuna salad. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning however you like, then toss it again if needed. Slice your favorite sub rolls open, then add in the salmon salad. Do the same with the second sub roll, and don't be shy about adding in the salad. You want it to be nice and full. And look at that, it's so fresh and so flavorful. Lunch for 2 is done. That's the chopped sandwich trend, salmon salad style. I hope you enjoy this one.